Today we have brought you a quick update regarding Tesla's Gigafactory Texas. The construction of Giga Texas is proceeding at a very fast pace, and the start of mass production is expected in 2021. New photos and videos have arrived from the factory, which reveals that Tesla may have started test production of Model Y and are preparing to start full-pace production sooner than expected. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. There was a lot of activity in Giga Texas last month. On August 27, a photo of the fully finished Model Y made rounds, indicating that it was taken at Giga Texas. The photo showed a fully finished Model Y, and in the background, there was another one moving on the conveyor. Joe Tegmeyer on Twitter clarified that this will be a full-functioning vehicle, although it will not be street legal. This description indicates that this will not be just a car body, but a full-fledged painted car with an installed battery pack. In his statement, Joe quoted a reliable source who wished to remain anonymous. Now a new video filmed by Joe confirms that test production at Giga Texas has already begun. He managed to film Model Y's body, which was in a dump truck. It was carelessly loaded onto the dump truck, suggesting that it was of no value and would likely be scrapped. At the moment, it remains unknown in what mode the factory operates, and it is possible that this body was produced as part of the training process for new employees. It was recently noticed that the manufacturer's factory, apparently for the first time, officially and solemnly greeted the company's employees at their new workplace. Tesla began construction of Giga Texas a little more than 1 year ago, and now for the first time, officially welcomes employees within its walls. While no official announcement has been made anywhere, the photos show that the company is welcoming new employees with a little celebration. Joe Tegmeyer on Twitter had taken some pictures that confirm that Tesla employees have started going to work at Giga Texas. Firstly, a checkpoint was set up with a sign which says Tesla employees and an arrow indicating the direction of travel. Secondly, there were balloons hanging in the staff room, which apparently formed the word welcome. Although some balloons were not in the position that they should be, the first letters W, E, L, and the fifth letter O hint that they formed the word welcome. It should be kept in mind that Tesla employees have already been working at Giga Texas for some time, since the production of test samples was started back in August. Therefore, such a greeting may indicate the arrival of a new batch of employees, although it is not necessarily evidence of this. The construction of the frame of the huge building of Giga Texas is already close to completion. The only unfinished part is the central part, which stretches from the center of the factory to the south. At the moment, the installation of supports has already begun there. The rest of the building is almost completely covered with a shell. In some places, walls, windows, and doors are still missing, although given that construction is carried out using prefabricated parts, their final installation should not take long. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.